Hello and welcome back to my channel. So it's been quite a while since I put out a long form video here on YouTube, and it is mainly because my hard drive stopped working. One day it just stopped. To be honest, I don't even know what happened with it, but I sent it in for a data recovery and they sent me a replacement hard drive, and they were able to recover most of my data, and they just recently sent it back. So even though they managed to recover most of my data, I did lose some clips. In fact, I am pretty bummed that I lost the files of my previous camping trip. So we went up to Big Sur for a camping trip and I vlogged the entire time. But unfortunately, those files were one of those that were affected and they were never recovered. So really upset that I lost those clips because I was really looking forward to editing that and putting out my first camping video. But yeah, there is honestly nothing I can do to get those clips back. So I'm just gonna forget about it and move forward. We are gonna have a lot more hiking and camping coming up, so I'll probably be vlogging that. So now that I have my hard drive back, I am hoping to get back into editing and putting out YouTube videos again. Although I am still kind of finding the balance between my 9 to 5 and my passion project, that is creating content. If you're new to my channel, I just started a new job here about a month ago. To be honest, I can't believe 1 month has passed. It's definitely getting busier and getting a little bit more difficult to find pockets of time to sit down and really edit an entire vlog. So I'm probably gonna try to find a balance between the two. Probably gonna find time after my 9 to 5 to edit a little bit of my vlogs, and hopefully I get into the groove. I hope to, one day be able to consistently put out vlogs every week or every 2 weeks, I guess. But yeah, I'll figure that schedule out and hopefully continue to create content while still managing my 9 to 5. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in here to give a little update, and I will continue to vlog my life here. It would most likely be things that I do over the weekend, since on the weekdays I head into the office, or if I'm working from home, I'll probably be busy with my 9 to 5. So I think it's probably gonna be a little bit more interesting if I show you things that I do on the weekends. So let's get back into the vlog. It is Sunday and today we are heading into the city. It's pretty gloomy today, but we just decided that we kind of want to leave the house and explore a little bit today. So we got ready and we are heading in for some dim sum for lunch, and then we don't really have any solid plans yet, so we'll see where the day takes us. But yeah, we got ready and I love my outfit today. It's pretty cold, so I have a sweater on, I'm wearing a skirt and my Solomon shoes. So that is the fit for today. So we just got to Chinatown and now we are heading over to a dim sum restaurant for some lunch.
we just had lunch and we walked past a salon, and he decided to have the randomness, the most random haircut ever. He just went in and had a haircut. And then once he was done, they told us that payment was only by cash. And we don't have any cash. We don't even have our wallets with us to draw money from the ATM. So that was a huge nightmare. And yeah, thankfully, with technology advancing and it's 2025, we could draw money out of Chase ATM using our Apple Pay. But yeah, that is what just happened. Now that we're done, we're probably gonna take a walk around Chinatown. Ooh, this was the matcha place, right? So we just got a matcha latte from, what is it called? Matcha Cafe Michael. How is it?
It's great.
It's not bad, but it could have more matcha taste, to be honest.
Like a bag.
We spent the afternoon in the city just walking around, and we did a little bit of shopping. Now we're feeling really tired, so we're going back. But we stopped to get some dinner, and I think we'll probably just head back and have some dinner and watch some TV. And yeah. This is now my favorite drink. It's from Trader Joe's, and it's the new sparkling matcha lemonade, and it's really good. Earlier while we were out, we picked up our very first miski. We got it at this store in Japantown. They had quite a few of the collections, and we chose the moving collection because we thought it was pretty cute. So let's do a little unboxing together. Okay, so I want the... I think I don't mind the plant. Yeah, I can put it beside my plant. Honestly, I'm okay with any one of these 6. Oh, there's even a secret actually.
Yes.
But I would be very happy if I got the one with the plant. No, I put the eyes. Okay, let's put one. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Oh!
That's the one I want.
Oh, you wanted this?
Yeah, this is number 1.
Oh, this is number 1?
Yeah. Do you want this is the first choice?
Oh, wow. We got the one with the leather. So today is Saturday and we're finally into the weekend. I had such a long week, so I've been really looking forward to the weekend, and the weather is looking amazing. So I'm super excited to spend some time outside. Today we are probably gonna be exploring Half Moon Bay, and then we are gonna be doing a short hike in Pacificar. Let's do a quick outfit check before we leave. So today I am just wearing a Uniqlo heat tech, and I got this red vest recently. I thrifted it and it's very cute. I'm gonna wear some tights, and I got my Solomon's top. That's all. every night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Wow. So we just got to the trailhead and we're gonna be starting our hike now. I think it's about 4 km, probably about an hour's hike, and hopefully we get a nice sunset today. Is it good? Hello, so today is Sunday and right now we are in the city. We're probably gonna be spending the day here. We have a picnic with some of our friends in the evening, so we thought we should just come in and explore a little. We're gonna be checking out a few thrift stores and hopefully we get some good finds. And yeah, the weather is amazing this weekend, so I am looking forward to spending the day out in the city today. So we got tacos for lunch and we got a intestine, pork, steak and beef tongue. So let's try it out. Steak. So after lunch we did a little bit of thrifting. We didn't find anything, so now we are stopping for some tea break at Dandelion Chocolate. We got the sesame brownie and an ice cold chocolate. We visited a few more thrift stores and I got a sweater and a brown jacket, and now we are heading over to the grocery store to pick up a few things before we head over to meet our friends for the picnic. So now we are waiting for our Waymo. We are taking the Waymo back to our car because we parked our car quite a distance away and we are quite tired. We don't feel like walking back. And it's gonna be our first time taking the Waymo. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Oh my gosh. That's our Waymo coming. Hello. Hey Waymo. Oh wow, it knows how to stop there. Oh wow.
Good afternoon. Hello from Waymo. As we
Wow.
get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips. This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always.
Gosh, Waymo is asking us to buckle our seatbelt.
Riders improve our product and more. But our microphones are only on when you're connected to rider support.
Okay.
So sing your heart out.
Look at us going crazy over a driverless taxi.
Rider support will connect with you.
Bye bye Waymo! Well, that's the end of our very first experience taking a Waymo. It was pretty cool. Will I take it again? Honestly, probably not. It's more expensive than a normal Uber. And Ubers here are already so expensive. But I guess it's just for the experience and yeah, it's pretty cool.